Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the LCD cover, bezel, and screen on your Asus S5507QA laptop. To start, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a clean microfiber cloth for any internal cleaning. Begin by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. Be careful to keep track of these screws as they will need to be replaced later. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to gently clean any dust or debris inside using the microfiber cloth. This cleaning ensures optimal performance and longevity of your device. Next, locate the LCD screen. You will find it secured with several screws. Note their positions as you remove them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from the bezel. If you find it difficult, use your plastic opening tool to carefully pry it away without damaging the surrounding components. Now that the screen is removed, let's focus on replacing the LCD cover and bezel. If you do not have the necessary tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Our team provides a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before any repairs are made. With the old LCD cover and bezel removed, it's time to install the new ones. Start by placing the new bezel onto the screen, aligning it correctly. Make sure it fits snugly before securing it with screws. Once the bezel is in place, take your new screen and align it with the mounting points. Press it gently into place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. This step is crucial. Ensure each screw is tightened appropriately to avoid any future issues. After securing the screen, it's important to reassemble the back panel. Place it carefully onto the laptop and reinsert the screws, ensuring they are all tightened properly. Before you power the device back on, double-check that everything is in place and secure. Once the back panel is back on, you can power on your laptop to test the new screen and ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you're never surprised by costs. And there you have it. A seamless process to replace the LCD cover, bezel, and screen on your Asus S5507QA. If at any point this feels daunting, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help, ensuring a smooth experience without the hassle of calls or travel. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.